What's up, all you gassers? Don't look at this. This is called Bad and Blown. Right here, look. You gotta sneak inside there to see the blower right there. Look at that. Got some chrome hollies under there. Look at this meta flakes. Look at those flakes in that paint. This is a true gasser right here. When you think gasser, you think this. You got the parachute. Got the wheel sticking out the back. 4-speed too. Looks just like my shifter. When you think gasser, you think high front end just like this. You want to see more cool gassers? Click the link above. Don't forget to follow. See you guys on the next Florida Car Show.